Hello everyone, this is a Baseus power bank and it's a PD power bank and it has wireless charging and all that fancy thing. I bought it few days ago and after 2 or 3 days it failed. Now the problem is if I try to charge it, it charges like 1 or 2 times, but then it says that hey, I cannot take any charge. It shows 188 error code. And if I try to charge another device through it, let's say my phone is on the magnetic coil up here. For some time it tries to charge it, it charges it 1 or 2%, then it says hey, error code 188. Now for that I cannot get any warranty on this because I bought it in another country, and then just before I was about to leave, then I bought it, and then I'm here in my country, so I cannot get the warranty. For that reason I thought of like, okay, let's fix it if I can fix it. Now I have opened it. Yeah, here it is. Now can you guess what's the problem could be? Any wild guess? Now before talking about this, let's talk about this. These are few other power bank sockets. They are all same model. They are also from Baseus or Baseus, whatever you want to say. Now what's the problem? Now if you see, the inductor is not soldered properly. See, it wasn't tempered with, so you could not say that hey, it is tempered. These are totally new boards taken out from power banks. See, it is not totally desoldered, but yeah, you get the idea. It failed because of the buck module or boost module. See the inductor, see. Now I first I wasn't even thinking about this problem. I was thinking about something might be happening in the board level, but then I realized, okay, let's check. Now you could see this inductor is okay, it's fine, it is soldered properly. Okay, no, it's not soldered properly. If I say, if I oh, my focus, see, if I push, I cannot show you, just a sec. It moves, see, I don't know if you could see, it moves. So the problem is here, exactly the soldering point. Now I'm gonna solder this back and I'll try to charge it and discharge my device. And let me tell you, it is connecting because of eject pressure from up here, but the higher frequency that inductor requires, it gets really hot, it is really inefficient. Then the error code is thrown out by the MCU says hey, I am getting too much hot, so it shows the error code 188. So for that reason it turns off the charging, or it stops charging itself. So let me fix it and I'll come back to you. But again, let me just for your reference, let me give you another things. I don't know if you can see it is moving, see, I can put my, see, now it has, like, it is bounded by here, this plate, so that it cannot go so much up. But see, there is a gap, it is not properly soldered. So that was causing the whole problem. I don't know how I'm gonna solder this part because it has display and all that. I have to take out this board first, not board, this steel plate, for whatever reason. I don't think this is for insulation or something, uh, shielding or something, but I think most probably this is because they wanted a heatsink, because here you can see thermal paste, or I don't know whatever this is called, but I see this in a lot of places, thermal pad, I guess. So yeah, let's do it, and let me get back to you again after the solder. There is another look that the inductor is not properly soldered. See, I can move it, see, This side is soldered, but this side is not. See, I hope that you can see it. Or I have actually loosened up this glue before it was stuck for the glue, but I don't know, you cannot see this from my finger, but see, oh yeah, now I hope you can see it's totally raised up. So yeah, now for properly soldering I need to actually take off this display. It has 4 pins, or 6 pins. So yeah, let me do that and properly solder it, then yeah, I'll come back to you. By the way, if you are wondering what is the main IC, let me just give you a glimpse, if I can. Okay, it's gonna be this way. It is SW6208, for those who was wondering. Here it is reassembled and it is now charging properly. Let me just put it into my phone, and yeah, see, it was charging. So yeah, I don't have any other device to show you right now. Perhaps, I don't know, not sure. So yeah, there's that. So here it is, it's fixed and all good. I'll list this in marketplace. Let's see if I can sell it.